I think there's too much.
So that's the current cooking situation.
Good morning, guys. So, no, I'm not sick. I'm fine. But I've slept until like now. It's, what is the time? It's like 4:30, no, 3:30 in the afternoon. And I'm gonna meet some other exchange students, like Paul will be there like yesterday, and Melis, to cook something together and maybe then going to a club or to a bar. So, hope you're gonna enjoy it.
For the vlog.
Ah, everybody's here. Vlogging. So tell us what happened at ALDI.
Okay. The thing is, you know, in UK, they're really strict about, you know, selling alcohol. Like, we were like 5 people, and we all had IDs with me, except one friend, and they didn't give us alcohol. Like, they didn't sell us at all, because just only one person didn't have the ID. But we were all, you know, over 18, obviously. So that was crazy. So we needed to go somewhere else to buy alcohol, which was more expensive. But we still have alcohol, yeah. Sam?
Yeah.
I'm done with the alcohol story.
Okay. So that's crazy, isn't it?
It is.
And we have been actually at ALDI, so you already know it if you're German followers.
But we don't like it so much, you know, like, as long as they didn't give us alcohol. I'm not a big fan of it. I'm sorry, guys. Like, I don't know.
I think it's house.
Are you guys remembering that I owe Paul a beer?
Yeah.
So, cheers, Paul.
Yeah, cheers.
Do you like that beer?
Exactly.
It's from France.
Oh, I didn't know.
Oh my god!
So, back here there's the cooking situation. Starting right now.
You guys are all so cute, brothers.
Let me introduce to all of my friends here. This is Melis from Turkey. You already met her yesterday. This is Moraine from France. Say hi.
Yes, you're right. Yes.
And this is Justine from France too. And oh, sorry, I forgot the name. Milan from Bulgaria.
Yes.
Right. So really international group. I'm not a monkey. Monkey, yes.
I never said you were full dance. Oh my god, you guys are bored.
No, just you fucked up my feet, so.
I didn't. Is it done? No, wait, there's still food.
Oh, yes, so.
Attends, on va faire comme ça, genre tu sautes et tu tombes en même temps. Parce que moi j'y arrive.
It feels really weird.
On a daily basis, like every day.
I don't know, I want to try for 1 week.
Okay.
But it will be a hard one, like to find something interesting every week.
Yeah, it depends on the
Should we do them like this or smaller?
So it looks better and better.
Bah non, pas ça, il y en avait un, j'ai ouvert.
Alors moi j'ai mangé un gros, voilà j'ai mangé un gros.
Noodles, spaghetti.
Good job.
Yeah, I didn't make it. Like, oh, good job. Look how it looks like. I'm a good cooker. Thanks, mate. So hi guys, I'm really sorry. I forgot filming yesterday. So you couldn't see the nice kind of food that we had. So, but I'm continuing vlogging now and just putting both of the vlogs together. This is Jacob, our friend of mine. And he has a car, so he brought me to this beautiful landscaped coast in Christchurch, what is like close to Bournemouth. Or is it part of?
Yeah,
Bournemouth?
it's right next to.
Okay. And we are supposed to go on that mountain right there. Yeah, it is. So, I'm not really good at vlogging right now, so the story doesn't continue, but I will tell you what happened at least. So we went on the mountain, but it was dark, close to being pitch black, so I couldn't film it with my small camera anymore, probably with the DSLR one, but not with this one. So later we went to Jacob's home, had a cup of tea together. It's a really nice home actually. Sorry that I forgot to film that once, but I will try to do my best to like get better and better every day. At least I try to continue vlogging a little bit more, even if it's not like that interesting or a that good vlog. So I hope that you still enjoyed it and that I'm gonna see you tomorrow. I wish you all of you guys a good night, or depends on the day time that you're watching it, maybe a good morning, and have a good day or a good night, however. Bye.